Hello everyone, this is my Fitnessgram data analysis project. So these are the 6 schools that I chose. They're all from Chino Valley Unified School District, Anna Borba, Ramona Junior High, Briggs, Hidden Trails, Don Lugo, Reuben, Yala High. And these are the 2 schools that I decided to focus my research on, Lyle S. Briggs and Anna Borba Elementary. These are their physical fitness reports, their overall summary for both schools. So the first school that that I did my research on was Briggs Fundamental. This school is in the Chino Valley Unified School District. It's a K through 8, and I have a niece and a nephew who are attending. My nephew is in 5th and my niece is in 8th grade. There's 808 students, and these are um, the academic achievements on English language arts and mathematics. So the Healthy Fitness Zone report showed that overall the girls performed better than the boys, 58.8 to 100% in the areas that were tested or assessed, and the boys went under 39 to 97%. They had They both had strengths in the trunk extension for the healthy fitness zones. The girls scored 100 and the boys 97.9. The boys had more health risks in the body composition section with 27.1, and the girls had 17.6. For Anna Borba Elementary, this is also in the Chino Unified District. I did attend this location back when it was known as Richard Gerd Elementary. It's a K through 6, and these are the scores. They have it's almost 10% less than Briggs, and this is only about 1% off from Briggs. Their overall fitness, healthy fitness zones were also a bit lower. The girls were in the 56 to 93% zone, and the boys were 41 to 91% zone. They had much higher health risks for body composition, the boys at 41.6% and the girls at 16.7%. The overall summary was indicating that the area that they had the highest was at body composition at 32.1%. So overall, from these 2 schools, Briggs seem to be doing better overall in the physical fitness zone report and in the academics. Like I said, they scored about 10% higher in ELA. Their trunk extension strength was also higher. Both of the schools had high reports on trunk extension. It seems that the students at Anna Borba are not making healthy choices. It seems that maybe the family lifestyle or lack of physical education from the school, but they scored pretty much less in all of the sections. Okay, so the data clearly shows that physical fitness does play a role. Um, the school that had the better physical fitness scores also had better academic scores. And I think it's very important to understand and know where to find this data so we can apply or see what the students need the most help in. And it's also very beneficial for families to know where to find this information. And I think it says a little bit about the community as well. And here are all my references. That's it. Thanks.